Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. So students, now we will begin with Unit 1, our body and needs. So the topic is about me and my family. So we will be studying about you and your family. Now students, let's start. Answer these questions. So you have 4 follow-up questions. Even if you do not know the answers right now, perfectly fine. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to answer each of the questions very much properly. Like, how many members are there in your family? Where do you live? Who helps you to get ready for school? And who cooks dinner at home? I'm pretty sure that most of the things your mother is doing for you, but still, according to your personal things, you just have to answer accordingly. And number 1 question is, how many members are there in your family? Your parents, grandparents, siblings, jitne bhi hain, just count them and write the answer. So, सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे I am special. Like, hello, my name is, यहाँ पर आप अपना नाम लिखेंगे. Like, my name is Simran, तो मैं यहाँ Simran लिखूंगी. Whatever your name is, you will write down here. I am dash years old. Just ask your parents, how old are you? For example, 3, 4, 5, जितने भी साल की आप हैं, just write down here. Then I am a special person and there is no one exactly like me in the world. Each one of us is unique and different. और ये line आपको regularly सुबह शाम खुद को बोलनी है कि आप special हो, आपके जैसा और कोई नहीं है, आप unique हो और आप बहुत special हो. Just repeat those lines to yourself in front of a mirror every morning you wake up and every night before you go to sleep. Then I study in, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप फर्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ते हो, आप यहाँ फर्स्ट लिख देंगे. आई लिव इन, जिस भी स्टेट या सिटी में आप रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू लिव इन दिल्ली, यू विल राइट दिल्ली हियर. आई लाइक टू, यहाँ पर आप अपनी हॉबीज लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लाइक टू सिंग, आई लाइक टू डांस, आई लाइक टू प्ले, वट एवर यू लाइक, जस्ट राइट डाउन हियर. देन आई स्टे विद माई फैमिली. ऑब्वियसली अभी आप बहुत छोटे हो तो आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं. Then you have to write my father's name is. Whatever your father's name is, just write down here. And after that, my mother's name is. Whatever your mother's name is, just write down. Then I have dash brother slash sister. If you have 1 brother, 2 brother, 1 brother and 1 sister, जितने भी आपके siblings हैं, जितने भी numbers में हैं, just write down here. Now, I love my family, so let's read about family. Mother and father are called parents, son and daughter are called children. Parents and children together make a family. A family may be small or big. So, यहाँ तक आपको family के बारे में in general बताया जा रहा है. Both of your parents, इनको collectively we call them parents. Then you have siblings, for example, brothers, sisters, and together all the people make up a family. A family can be a small family like just your parents and your siblings, or it can be a big family like all your relatives might stay together. Then this is Sonia's family. She lives with her father, mother, and younger brother. Sonia's family is a small family. It is also known as a nuclear family. Her parents devote all the time to the children and they share all the work and care for each other. So this is a story of, this is a family of Sonia of just 4 members, both her parents and her sibling. So this is a nuclear family. Nuclear family कौन सी होती है? छोटी family, जिसमें सिर्फ आपके parents रहते हैं और आपके siblings रहते हैं, if any. So इनकी जो family है, सोनिया के parents सारा time अपने बच्चों में लगा देते हैं. Just like your parents, आपके आगे पीछे घूमते रहते हैं, सारी चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से करते हैं. So just like that, Sonia's family is also like that. Now good to know. Some children have brothers and sisters and they are known as siblings. तो जैसे आपका भी भाई बहन हो सकता है, तो आपके अगर भाई बहन हैं, so what are they called? They are called siblings. One more good to know. So all the members of a family share the same surname. A surname is the last name. For example, my name is Simran, not Yal. So my paternal side of the family, they will all share the same surname as mine. Likewise, आपका भी जो surname होगा, आपके parents और आपके siblings का surname भी वही होगा. Now this is Karthik's family. He lives with his parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousin. So this is the family of Karthik, and unlike Sonia, ये nuclear family नहीं है. This is a huge family जिसमें उसके parents, grandparents, even uncle, aunt and cousins भी साथ में रहते हैं. Now Karthik's family is a large family. It is also known as a joint family. तो कार्तिक की family क्योंकि इतने सारे लोग साथ में रहते हैं, so what kind of family is this? This is a joint family. Very good. Now let's take a test. Circle the members of your family who lives with you. So we have a couple of names here or relations of a family. You have to encircle जो आपके साथ रहते हैं. Now sharing and caring. So some people live in a big joint family. All the members help each other. So let us read about Rohan's family. Rohan's father and uncle go to the office to work and earn money. His mother and aunt are homemakers and they look after the children and all household work. His grandparents go to the market together to buy fruits and vegetables. So, बहुत सारे लोग big families में रहते हैं और क्या इसका support रहता है? All the members help each other. किसी को किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है तो they help. Like here we have read about Rohan's family. उनके पेरेंट्स या अंकल जो हैं, फादर और अंकल, वो ऑफिस जाते हैं ताकि पैसा कमा सकें. घर पे जो आंट और मदर हैं वो सब्जी या ग्रोसरीज वगैरह की शॉपिंग करती हैं, घर पे आके कुकिंग करती हैं. सो ऑल द फैमिली मेम्बर्स दे स्टे कनेक्टेड, दे स्टे टुगेदर एंड दे शेयर एंड केयर फॉर ईच अदर. Rohan and his cousins help their parents by keeping their rooms and things neat and tidy. तो रोहन अपने cousins की help कैसे करता है? They both help each other by keeping themselves neat and clean and completely keeping their rooms also neat and tidy. Now students, let's revise what we have learnt in this chapter. A group of people who live together in a house make a family. There are two types of families, small family and large family. Grandparents, parents, brother, sister, uncle, aunt and cousins are your relatives. So this is what we have studied in this chapter. All your cousins, your relatives and everybody in your family makes up a huge family. It can be a small family like just your parents and your siblings, or it can be a big family also like we have studied about Karthik and Rohan's family, जिसमें आपके grandparents, cousins, uncle, aunt सब साथ में रहते हैं. और अल्टीमेटली एक फैमिली में हर कोई एक दूसरे की चिंता भी करता है, केयर भी करते हैं और शेयरिंग भी करते हैं. Now students, practice time. So tick the correct answer. Your mother's father is your grandfather. Option A. Second, son and daughter are called children. A. Then there are many members in a big family. Option number B. Then second is your true and false. A small family is also known as a joint family. This is false. There are 3 to 4 members in a big family. This is also false. Grandparents are our relatives. This is true. And all the members help each other. This is also true. Now answer the following questions. What is a family? So a family is a thing in which a lot of people stay together. For example, you can have a small family like just your parents and your siblings, or you can have a joint family or a big family in which you will have your grandparents, your uncle, your aunt, your cousins, and ultimately a family is something which stays connected, stays together, they care for each other and they also share for each other. Now, skills builder, complete the names of the family members. So, number 1, this is a male entity with a lot of hair and beard. So, what is this? A father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. B, make a family finger puppets, color, cut and wrap paper puppets of each family member around your fingers. Use them to cut out family scenes or sing family songs like Finger Family. And then C, the parents of your father are your paternal grandparents, the parents of your mother are your maternal grandparents. What do you call them? Ask your friends what they call their grandfather and grandmother. So, these are two different questions in which you have to do activities. In the first one, you just have to make a puppet of your entire family, your finger puppet, and then in the C question, you have to ask your fellow friends what do they call their grandparents, for example, the grandfather or the grandmother, what do they call them, and you have to tell what do you call your grandparents. Now, life skill. We should respect our elders and we should always listen to them and follow their advices. So, this is what we have studied in this chapter also. हमें हमेशा अपने elders की advice मांगनी चाहिए और हमेशा उनकी respect भी करनी चाहिए. So, students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.